Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into YouTube and opening YouTube Studio. That gets you to the hub where watch time lives. Once logged in, click Analytics on the left menu to load overview metrics. Make sure to select the correct channel if you manage multiple accounts, then choose the date range at the top right to narrow results. This first step surfaces total watch time in hours and prepares you to drill into videos, traffic sources, and audience retention so you know what to examine next. Once done with the overview, click Content and pick a video to open its analytics. This is where detailed watch time lives. In the Reach and Engagement tabs, focus on watch time hours and average view duration to understand performance. Compare videos using the Compare control. Then apply filters, traffic source, device, and geography to see where watch time is coming from. Make sure to use the date range comparison to spot trends over time, because watch time shifts often explain dips or growth in channel momentum. To finish, export the watch time data as CSV so you can sort and compute totals, averages, and trends in a spreadsheet. Then act on findings. Improve thumbnails, intros, and playlists to increase average view duration and rewatch rates, and monitor changes over a few weeks. If numbers seem wrong, make sure you have full channel permissions, refresh the page, and check YouTube Studio status. Sometimes analytics delay or account-level restrictions hide watch time until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.